Are you ready? Okay, let's go inside. Thank you. It has stopped snowing for once. You cannot see how much snow we had. About that much. My leg is about, yeah. We had a lot. It snowed for like since Wednesday. It has snowed since Wednesday. This is about, look at all that. Yeah. Guido doesn't seem to mind the snow. It's me. I don't like the snow. Especially this much. So yeah. I kept making videos meaning to post over this week because we're getting closer to Thanksgiving. But this week has been rough. Wednesday I kind of noticed when we brought Guido out to take some pictures of him, because he's going to be on my workplace's Facebook page, that he looked really skinny. So I'm like, oh crap. So I weighed him, he lost weight again. So we took a PCV and did some blood work, found out he was anemic again. So Thursday he had a ultrasound, and we didn't find the same things we did last time. We found that free fluid again, and it's as big as it was. And we found some unhappy lymph nodes, so we took fine needle aspirates of those and sent him off. So we're going to see if he has lymphoma. That's what we're testing for first. And there's a blood test that we can do to see if he has another type of like rare cancer. And then after that I'm going to set him up with an appointment, probably sometime here soon, to go to my workplace, my old workplace, and see internal medicine and get an ultrasound and see if we can figure out what the hell's going on with him. So yeah, just to keep you guys updated, and here on YouTube too. He does have a GoFundMe page. I will put it in their bio if you guys would like to help pay. I hate asking for help, but this is going to be expensive. So, and yes, I work in the vet med field, but there's some monetary like limitations for this. Like, I get discounts at work, but it's not as nice as the other place I used to work, and yeah, so any little bit of help. So yeah, I hate winter, but yeah, winter isn't even here yet, but it hit us pretty hard. We're gonna have a white Thanksgiving. Come on, Guido! Look at this dingus down here. Guido, come on! So there's nothing on TV. Time for some Disney Plus and chill time. Yeah, we're not sure entirely what we're gonna watch. Is it going to be Star Wars related? Probably. Hold on. Gotta have the right equipment. Popcorn. Dumped it out into here. You get like a pouch of oil, and so you put, yeah. Yeah. Popcorn created. And actually, this should be enough for the both of us. It's pretty cool. Definitely worth it. We are back outside again. It's too chilly to let them just hang out and play. But it is, I take back my, it's not snowing anymore. It's snowing again. Day 3. I need a measure. I'm gonna find like a tape measure and stuff, because I've seen people doing this. Oh, do you not have to go to the bathroom? Okay. Do you not have to go to the bathroom? Okay, fine. I've seen people using like the tape measures and stuff to show how many inches of snow we've gotten. And I'm curious now. I'm curious. Oh, it's so much warmer out here. Now I'm curious. I want to know how many inches of snow have we gotten. I'll update you in a bit.